Good morning everyone. The topic I am going to take is about components of refrigeration, which is about compressor. What is a compressor? A compressor is a first step in the refrigeration cycle. It is a piece of equipment that increases the pressure of the working gas. Compressor is also known as the heart of refrigeration cycle. It enters the refrigerant enters the compressor as low pressure, low temperature gas and leaves the compressor as a high pressure, high temperature gas. Compressors are mechanical devices that compresses gases. It is widely used in industries and has various applications. The machine, which takes in air or any other gas at low pressure and compresses to a high pressure, is called compressors. It is used for increasing the pressure of the air, which is called as air compressor. Air compressors. There are various types of air compressors. Number one, it is positive. It is divided into two types. One is positive displacement air compressor, dynamic or turbo air compressor. In positive displacement air compressor, it is further divided into reciprocating air compressor and rotary air compressor. In reciprocating air compressor, it is divided into three types, which is piston, labyrinth, and a diaphragm. And in rotary air compressor, it is divided into five types, which is lobe, liquid ring, sliding vane, monoscrew, and twin screw. In dynamic air compressor, it is divided into three types, which is centrifugal, axial, and ejector air compressors. Air compressors are classified according to the energy transfer and pressure gradation. First is positive displacement. These compressors works on the principle of increasing the pressure of air by reducing the volume of air in an enclosed chamber. Dynamic compressors work on the principle of imparting the energy by rotating the vanes of impeller on air flowing through casing that increases the pressure in air. Reciprocating air compressors. Reciprocating air compressors are positive displacement types. In this, they have piston and diaphragm type, vane type, gear type, screw type, and compressors. In this, the piston receives power from electric motor or IC engine. The compression of air is done by first drawing a volume of air into the cylinder through suction valve during suction stroke of piston, and then compressed and then discharged through delivery valve during delivery stroke. Principle. The working principle of reciprocating air compressor is to draw gas through an inlet, then move the gas through a cavity or chamber that decreases in size. This compresses the gas, and by doing so, the gas within the chamber increases in pressure. This is the single stage reciprocating air compressor. There are two stages. One is a single stage and a double stage. In this type, the entire compression is carried out in a single cylinder. In this, the air passes through the suction valve, then it is piston moves down, and the piston again moves up, and the air is compressed, and then it is discharged as high pressure gas. In this, in the starting process, suction takes place, and in the final process, compression takes place. This is the working principle. In this, when the piston moves down, the pressure inside the cylinder is reduced. When the cylinder pressure is reduced below the atmospheric pressure, the inlet valve opens. Atmospheric air is drawn into the cylinder into the piston, which reaches the bottom dead center. The delivery valve remains closed during this period. When the piston moves up, the pressure inside the cylinder increases. The inlet valve is closed since the pressure inside the cylinder is above atmospheric pressure. The pressure of air inside the cylinder is increased steadily. The outlet valve is then opened, and the high pressure air is delivered through the outlet valve into the delivery pipeline. At the top dead center of the piston, a small volume of high pressure air is left in the clearance space. When the piston moves down again, this air is expanded and pressure reduces. Again the inlet valve opens, and thus the cycle is repeated. Single stage air compressor, it develops pressure up to 7 bar. For higher pressures, multi-stage compressors are suitable. Advantages. Advantages of single stage air compressors. In this reciprocating compressor, the air compression completes in a single stage. It uses only one cylinder for compression. It is easy to maintain. The pistons have the same physical dimension. This positive compressor, it requires less energy to run as compared to a double stage compressor. It has less cost. Here we can see the disadvantages of single stage reciprocating compressors. It produces less energy as compared to a double stage. It is less efficient. It requires a stronger cylinder to withstand high delivery pressure, and it can't be used in heavy duty industries. It has limited power of 15 kilowatt. Applications. The applications of single stage air compressor are as follows. It is used in workshops. It is used in places where the required pressure ratio is small. It can be used in gas stations and various manufacturing plants. It is used in circuit breaking in electric industries. It is used or it is also used for chemical industries. These compressors are well used in the borewell. Now we have seen the now we have seen the types, working principle, advantages, disadvantages and applications of single stage air compressor. In the next class we will see about double stage air compressors. Thank you.